Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Today the 6th of September, and we will continue to talk about the euro, start from the daily time frame. Well, as you remember, in our weekly research and the video research for the Monday, we said that we expect some continuation to the downside, and our minimum target stands right here. This is 138.11. This is the previous lows on the daily time frame. So market at least should hit it. But in general, I suspect that market could reach even as far as weekly and monthly counter support around 136.50, 137.60 area, somewhere there. Well, what we see? We have expected that probably market could show some retracement to the upside, hit weekly pivot point, and then continue move to the downside. But that hasn't happened. Market accelerate with this gap to the downside, although yesterday was a bit thin market since due to the Labor Day in the United States, but still this move to the downside was really significant. Well, today what we see, first of all, the level of oversold for the current trading session stands right here, 139.95, just a bit below the market. Now you can see that market first hit weekly pivot support 1, it's right here, and has broken that FIB support area, 140.94. I suspect that this is no more the FIB support since market deeply penetrated. Okay. Also, pay attention that market has shown small wash and rinse of that lows. You can see that this low is a bit slightly lower than this. This one is 140.41. So you can see that market has just pierced it and returns right back. So probably this could become the start point of some shallow retracement to the upside, since market has broken all these support areas, all major support areas. This was two confluence supports, as you remember. Now it has broken this major 618 support. All that we have just below the market at 786 and 88% of secondary supports, Fibonacci supports, but all major supports has been broken already. So this could be in general the shallow sign of the potential retracement to the upside that we could try to use to enter on the short side of the market. So since market doesn't stand at oversold, then probably this retracement will not be very strong. Probably it will be a shallow retracement. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we see? First of all, excellent thrust to the downside. As you can see, there's no close above the 3x3 moving average. This is green line, okay? Market hasn't even shown any 3-8 retracements. It's just very, we could say even horizon consolidations without any retracement, continuation to the upside. Well, this kind of price action is very welcome for the potential bread and butter pattern. But particularly we are interested in the bread and butter sell. What is the bread and butter? Market should show penetration of that green line, that's 3 period moving average shifted forward for 3 periods, this displaced moving average, and should hit some significant area of resistance. Well, usually market reaches 50% resistance from the recent swing, okay, or probably it could be a bit higher, I don't know, but personally I like that area. First of all, because we have that gap, yesterday's trading session gap, and on the forex markets, the gaps usually should be filled by the markets. In most cases, this happens. Well, and that area of resistance stands precisely at the same area as the gap stands. That's why I like that area to possess ourselves on the short side of the market. So if market, for instance, will show penetration of that green line and move to the upside to the 142 area, this will be the context for the bread and butter. So if even market will later will continue move to the upside, usually it shows before that continuation 618 resistance in the direction of the previous thrust. So how it will look like? Initial thrust, retracement with the hitting of some significant resistance, then 618 pullback to the 618 support from that retracement, and then probably market either continue move to the downside or show deeper retracement to the upside. Anyway, you will have the chance to move your stop to the break even and just watch how market will respond. If market will continue move to the downside, well, you will have the excellent position to possess yourself right to the move, maybe even till 138. Well, if not, in that case, you will lose nothing, since market will allow you to move your stop to the break even. That is common strategy to enter in the thrusting markets, waiting some momentum trade, also that it's called the bread and butter trade, and enter on the short side of the market. Well, I suggest you that you understand how it could be done. Wait for the retracement, reaching of some strong area of support, enter short. When the market will start move to the downside, move your stop to the break even and watch how market will respond around 618 support from that retracement. It will continue move either to the downside or will reach the 618 support and then probably could continue move to the upside. Okay? Of course, market could reach not only 618, it could reach the previous lows and then continue move to the upside. That's not the big deal. Well, in general, this is how it works. On the hourly time frame, what we see? The red line is the MACD predictor indicator, shows this trend. We see that market stands at some area of support. This is weekly pivot support 1. It stands right here. You can see that market has formed yesterday's that railroad track, but it's had been later it has been erased by the market price action. But what do we see currently? Well, we see some hint on potential starting of that retracement. First of all, you can see that this is wash and rinse of the previous lows. That is, dash line is the previous lows. Okay, so it stands right here. Market penetrate them and returns right back. This is potentially bullish signal. Also, you can see that with this wash and rinse, market also cleared out that lows of recent lows of that pattern, these lows and that lows. This is the second moment. The third moment is the potential bullish stop grabber on the with the MACD indicator. You can see that market has trying to shift trend to bearish but failed and returns right back. You may ask, well, you can see that this is a lot of stop grabbers in that area. So market here, 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 okay, here again. So what the difference between that price action and that price action? The difference in level, because this is support and this is the wash and rinse of the solid loss on the daily time frame. Here we do not see anything like here. So anyway, in fact, you don't care will start the retracement or not, because if it will start, we will act as we discussed on the 4-hour time frame with the bread and butter trade. If not, well, we will try to find another possibility to enter on the short side of the market. But in general, here we see some hints on the potential starting of that retracement. Also, if you will take a look at the MACD indicator, you will see that this is nice bullish divergence in that area stands right at the area of support. Well, I do not rely very much on the divergences, but the fact that it is in place. So we will just all that we could do is just wait and see how market will act in nearest hours. If market will accelerate to the upside and hit some resistance areas, I think that it should be at least 140, 160, 142 areas, somewhere like here with this gap. Okay. So if it will happen, well, we could enter on the short side of the market. If not, well, we will try to find another possibility to enter. Just keep an eye on the current market, because this is really some signs, some clues that probably this retracement could start today.